Hey, hello guys. So today I have one more trick in Excel. If you want to protect your sheet, if you are going to send some sheet to someone and you want to protect, you want to create the password on that sheet. So when the person who will receive this sheet, he will open. If he know the password, he can use it. Otherwise, he cannot. So for this, what we will do? Let's start. Suppose this is our sheet and we want to make it protect. So we will go to File, Save as option, and here you will click on Browse. Once you will click on Browse, you will see this window. Here you have to go to Tools and then General option. When you will click on General option, you will find this window, and here you will find password to open and password to modify. So you have to type the password to open. You will write the password and press OK. Then again you will write the same password here and press OK. And then you can save it. Now where you are saving, now you save it. Now I close this sheet and I am opening again. So this is my file and I try to open this. When I will try to open this, see, there is the password. If the person you are sending the file, he knows the password, he will enter the password and click OK, the file will open. Otherwise, nobody can use this sheet without password. So guys, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell so you will get the new videos, new tips and techniques. Till the next video, take care, bye.